Oxford Modern English Book 1. Today's rhyme is Cat in a Hat by Nicholas Horsburgh. Where are you going, my little cat? I'm going to town to get me a hat. What? A hat for a cat? A cat get a hat? Whoever saw a cat in with a hat? Where are you going, my little dog? I'm going to town to sit on a log. What? A log for a dog? A dog get a log? Whoever saw a dog on a log? Where are you going, my little mouse? I'm going to town to find me a house. What? A house for a mouse? A mouse find a house? Whoever saw a mouse in a house? I did. Bye-bye.